Barcelona forward Rafinha is reportedly paying the price after his emotions got the better of him after being substituted against Manchester United in the Europa League. The former Leeds winger was seen going wild after being taken off during the first leg of their playoff encounter at the Nou Camp, booting the chair in front while taking his seat on the bench. In addition, the 26-year-old is said to have booted a fridge of isotonic sports drinks during the outburst, which has left him with a sore knee. Following that clash, Rafinha got some minutes from the bench against Cadiz before being withdrawn in the second leg against United and missing the defeat against Almeria. Spanish outlet Mundo Deportivo report that the forward got a sore knee from the incident at Old Trafford which hasn't fully healed up. It remains to be seen if he will return to the fold for their next fixture, which comes against rivals Real Madrid in the Copa del Rey semi-finals. With many assuming that he may have been dropped for his actions, that had already been dismissed by Xavi after the incident. Xavi had said, "I understand Rafinha's anger. He has apologized to me, but he doesn't have to. I always ask my players for ambition and he has been ambitious. It also bothered me when they replaced me." Rafinha has made 33 appearances and scored 7 goals for the club since leaving Leeds United in the summer, having spent 2 seasons at Elland Road. Having been knocked out of the Europa League by Erik ten Hag's United, Barcelona will now focus on Copa del Rey action after slipping up in La Liga. However, Barcelona remains 7 points clear at the top of the table after their winning run came to an end after Real Madrid and Atletico Madrid played out a draw.
Now